So the beans take usually about, I don't know, a good 30-45 minutes. As you can see, they soaked up most of the water. You can see there's like just a thin line left. And that's when you're going to add the onions and garlic that we prepped earlier. So we will take the onions and garlic and go ahead and put those in there and give it a nice stir. And like I said, the beans still got to soak up the water, so I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit, probably another 15 minutes. And you want to wait with the other vegetables. You're gonna cook them with a little unsalted butter, just a little bit, not even a teaspoon, like half of a teaspoon of unsalted butter. So we're gonna start cooking our veggies. I go ahead and turn that up on a medium. Got the half a teaspoon of butter, got the veggies. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit, let the butter melt, and then after that I'm going to cover. But that's just when the veggies start to cook and the butter melts. When the butter melts, you add a quick splash of water, just a tad bit of water, and you're gonna see the steam start to rise off the vegetables. You're gonna want to cover that with a dome lid. Put that on, I'd say 7, and let that cook a little bit. Let that steam. As you see, the beans are almost done. Looking yummy. You want the vegetables cooked, but you don't want them to overcook. After about a good, I want to say 2 minutes on high, you're going to go ahead and turn your veggies off. Remove them from the heat. And the beans, like I said, they've just about soaked up all of the water. You're going to go ahead and drain those. I'm going to follow the regular recommendations, except for we're going to exclude the milk and exclude the packet that it comes with the cheese. We're not going to use that. Once the beans are drained, you can go ahead and add them in the pot with your green beans and mushrooms. Like I said, we're going to follow the box instructions, but we're also going to exclude the milk. No milk in this recipe. So boiling water and just